Starting a language school from scratch can be a challenging but rewarding experience. If you want to make your language school a part of the local community, here are some tips to help you get started. Get involved in local events. One of the best ways to make your language school a part of the local community is to get involved in local events. This could mean participating in cultural festivals or events, offering language workshops or classes at community centers, or even sponsoring events or organizations that are important to the community. Connect with local businesses. Connecting with local businesses can be a great way to build relationships and make your language school a part of the community. You can offer language classes or workshops to local businesses, or even partner with them to offer language services or resources. Offer language learning opportunities to the local community. Offering language learning opportunities to the local community is a great way to build relationships and make your language school a part of the community. This could mean offering language classes or workshops at local community centers, libraries, or schools. Create a sense of community within your language school. Creating a sense of community within your language school can also help to make it a part of the local community. This means creating an atmosphere that is supportive, inclusive, and welcoming to students from different backgrounds and cultures. You can do this by organizing social events, encouraging communication and collaboration between students, and creating a positive learning environment. Develop relationships with local language learning organizations. Developing relationships with local language learning organizations can also help to make your language school a part of the community. This could mean partnering with other language schools or organizations to offer joint programs or resources, or even participating in joint events or initiatives. Offer language learning resources online. Offering language learning resources online can also be a great way to make your language school a part of the local community. This could mean offering online language courses or workshops, or even creating online language learning resources that are available to the local community. Provide language services to the local community. Providing language services to the local community can also help to make your language school a part of the community. This could mean offering translation or interpretation services to local businesses or organizations, or even partnering with local government agencies to provide language services to residents. In conclusion, making your language school a part of the local community requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to build relationships and connect with others. By getting involved in local events, connecting with local businesses, offering language learning opportunities to the local community, creating a sense of community within your language school, developing relationships with local language learning organizations, offering language learning resources online, and providing language services to the local community, you can help to make your language school a valued and respected part of the local community.